Tucano display! That distinct noise you'll hear throughout the display is the up-rated Garrett TPE turboprop point roll. This year's display is supported by Babcock International Group, who provide engineering and ground support to the RAF Tucano fleet at its home at RAF Linton-on-Ouse in Yorkshire.
Leader 3, that is understood.
This year's Tucano display pilot Liam Matthews is known as a SCIMI qualified flying instructor at Linton-on-Ouse, meaning he demonstrated above average flying ability during his own flying training and was selected to become a flight instructor at an early stage of his career. This is Liam's first season as a display pilot and his debut at the Royal International Air Tattoo, and it's the Tucano's final year, as I mentioned, as a display aircraft, so a very momentous occasion for 72 Squadron.
That would be a good idea. I wonder if you were amenable if we could position the...
The Tucano, now at the end of its service, has served 30 years with the #1 flying training school, the oldest military flying school in the world. As it finishes its final year of service, the Texan T1 aircraft is working up to replace the Tucano as part of the new UK military flying training system and will fly out of RAF Valley in North Wales. Demonstrating a high level of handling skill, Liam will now complete a slow roll as he passes back in front of you. This is one of many manoeuvres taught to all students as they progress through basic fast jet flying training, and it teaches young aviators the handling skills required to appreciate the complexities involved when dynamically flying an aircraft.
They're based out of Wales, do they have like sheep? Yeah.
As Liam comes round and passes back in front of you, he'll be pushed into his seat with the force of nearly half a ton. This high G-turn is another example of all manoeuvres taught to students at basic fast jet flying training. And teaching students manoeuvres like these. Liam joined the Royal Air Force directly from university, and I joined the Royal Navy after my A-level study. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
And then the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight before the flypast itself at 2:15.
Just for you, Spartan, just for you.
I think he's got it.
To fill the hole from the patrol base. Surface wind is
Liam Matthews then back on the ground with the... And as this Royal Air Force Tucano leaves the runway, just a reminder that in addition to the many hundreds of Royal Air Force personnel that are here to directly support the flying, there are 300 RAF personnel on duty here to deliver what is known as the RAF Experience, formerly known as the RAF Village. This experience showcases the 60 trades and branches that the Royal Air Force has to offer, and central to this is a virtual reality experience.